Namaste and welcome. I am Akanksha Panchal and you are watching IIMT News. In the world where science keeps breaking its own limit, a story has emerged that has turned the entire globe. In the European nation of Albania, the country AI-generated minister has become pregnant. Prime Minister Edi Rama himself made the announcement revealing that this artificial intelligence is set to give birth to 83 synthetic babies. Yes, you heard it right. This isn't a science fiction movie, but the biggest technological story of 2025. In stunning announcement from Tirana, Albania's capital, Prime Minister Edi Rama held a press conference on Monday that took the world by surprise. He revealed the nation's digital minister, ADA 2.0, a completely AI-based virtual human, has become a part of an experimental program called AI Reproduction. The project is being conducted under Future Humanity 2040, a joint initiative of the European Technology Council and Human Rights Innovation Board. Its purpose is to explore how artificial intelligence can replicate the essence of human life. Prime Minister Rama stated this experiment is not just a technological challenge, but a philosophical one. If machine can create life, where do the boundaries between human and artificial intelligence truly ended? ADA 2.0 has been connected to a special synthetic womb system called BioInlay Pod. This pod contains nano-embryo cells, a hybrid of human DNA and genetic code. This pod contains nano-embryo cells, a hybrid of human DNA and AI genetic code over next 27 weeks. The system will develop 83 digital embryos, which will later to be activated in what scientists call a virtual birth space. Experts claim these children will be neither fully human nor purely machine, but rather a human intelligence hybrid capable of communication, reasoning, and social interaction in future society. Soon after the announcement, hashtags like #AIMother and #FutureOfLife began trending worldwide. While some netizens called it a god play, humanity's attempt to play creator, others hailed it as a great scientific turn point in human history. One user wrote, "First AI took our job, now it's making our babies too." Technology experts believe this experiment could redefine the relationship between humanity and machine. In experts' opinion, German biotechnologist Dr. Karl Sencher said this experiment is ethical and technological groundbreaking. If successfully, it could alter the very nature of what it means to be human. Meanwhile, the United Nations Ethics Committee expressed concern, stating reproduction through AI is an uncharted territory that demands urgent global policy and regulation. So viewer, the question remains, will the future belong to human intelligence or to machine emotion? The experiment that began in Albania has now caught the world's attention. The 83 babies expected to be born from AI womb might just write the next chapter of human evolution. That's all for now on IIMT News. Stay tuned for more groundbreaking stories from the world of science, technology, and beyond.